I purchased this Yamaha PSRE343 on my church's behalf. Ordered on Wednesday, delivered on Monday. This is an awesome keyboard. Below are the pros and cons. Pros 1. The grand piano sound is really cool, almost like a real one. 2. Touch sensitivity works really well. 3. Other sounds like flute guitar, especially bass and acoustic guitar, sounds are very beautiful to use it for instrumental music or filler music between vocals. 4. Stereo sound option brings in more melodious sound. Cons 1. Only one, i.e., the overall master volume sound is very low for playing at home. Volume is real only when plugged into amplifier speakers. Conclusion. Great buy. It's more than its price. Very compact and gives a lot of entertainment to a beginner. Would recommend it even to a person who can play the instrument well. Has not given any trips this past 5 years. I initially doubted after some negative feedback. Costed me $8,600 using gift card with discounts. Got power adapter with it too. So check description before you buy. Gifted it to my wife. Till today, enjoying it. Pros. Can play almost any songs after bit of practices. Can add approx 100 MIDI songs. Many user style file using USB but can use one user style at a time. Can save 5 user played songs. Can be used as MIDI keyboard using FL Studio 12 on Windows PC. Not tried on Mac though. Cons: limitation for user style files. So buy without second thought. Casio though cheap but crap. I think this instrument is just simply great. Nothing more you could really ask for except for an AC power adapter, which they didn't include. So I just simply had to take a trip down to Radio Shack, and if it could have simply functioned on batteries alone, that would have been fine. But it appears that it also needs a power supply to work. Other than those two things, I am so far really happy with the realism of the instrument. A fine work of art that just needed some tweaking.